Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to incorporate a progress bar into your Notion workspace. To begin, ensure you are using a table view, which is necessary for this setup. First, create a new property, set its type to number, and enter a value like 50. Next, add another number property and set it to 100 to serve as your target or total. To create the visual bar, add a third property and select Formula. Click into the Formula field, choose Edit Property, and then Edit Formula. You will need to divide your first number property by the second one to get the correct ratio. After clicking Done, return to the property settings, change the format to %, and select the bar display style. You will now see the progress reflected accurately. For example, 50 out of 100 appears as 50%. If you adjust the input to 70, the bar updates to 70%. This system works for any figures, such as 70 out of 1,000 showing as 7%. It is a very straightforward process. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.